The Bakelite knob is produced by injection molding technology, good appearance and excellent quality. The knurled head knob is very smooth and very suitable for gripping, practical and safe. It widely used in lathe machinery, mechanical equipment, instruments and industrial equipment. It can also installed at the bottom of furniture to enhance stability, prevent scratches of noise. We have been producing Bakelite knobs for world-famous brand merchants for 25 years. We are manufacturing a lot of different types of Bakelite knobs. Welcome to contact.